Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to join the Facebook Marketplace on the Facebook web portal. So now, the first thing that you will need to do is to open your web browser. Either it was Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or Google Chrome, or any web browser. After that, you will need to go to facebook.com in the URL and click enter. Now, you will need to create a Facebook account if you don't already have it. To do so, you will need just to click create new account and it will take you to the new account creation. So basically all you need to do is to fill in all this information and then you will click on sign up. After that, you will have your Facebook account that will be created successfully. Then all you need to do is to go again to facebook.com and then you will add your account, or you are going to log in to your account. So basically you click on login after you fill in your email and password and it will take you to your account. And now the last thing to do is to go to the marketplace, and now all it remains to do again is to follow these simple steps. And now, after you joined the marketplace, you will be able now to sell and buy items on this Facebook marketplace. And to sell items, all you need to do is to create your own listing. And to do so, either you can click on this button or go to the selling window, and then you will click to create new listing, and you will add the listing details, etc. And if you want to buy items, you will go to marketplace, and then you will just search for any item that you want or that you will desire to buy, and then click on the item, and then you will need just to send a message to the seller so you can get to talk about like the information or the delivery options, etc. And basically by that you have just learned how to join a marketplace. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.